If there's anything I love more than drawing, it's playing games. Now, I'm not talking about video games. I'm talking board games. Classics like Monopoly, Risk, Life, Scrabble, and of course, Pictionary. And being an artist, everyone wants to be my partner, or won't let me play at all. Now, the concept of Pictionary is similar to the activities I did in art school. The instructor would put a bunch of random objects on the table, and we had to draw them as fast as we could. Not only did this develop our hand-eye coordination, but it also helped develop our visual memory. Drawing from memory is the key to improving your art. So with that said, I'm going to show you a fun little exercise you can do by yourself or with a friend. I have a stack of primary level flashcards. Now if you don't have any, you can always make them up yourself. The objective of this exercise is to use your memory to draw that image as quickly and as accurately as you can. Let's start with the first card. Piano. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is think about the main characteristics of the piano. That would be the piano keys and the rounded shape of the body. In the next card, we have a bat. This is a much simpler object. I'll start with the end of the bat first and work my way up. I'm also going to add a simple wood grain texture to enhance the object. Let's try another one. Igloo. I'm going to draw this object in a slight 3/4 angle so that the form is clear. I'll start by drawing the extended doorway first and then tuck the dome in behind. I'm also going to add that ice block texture. Next we have a fan. Because this is a symmetrical object, I'll start in the center and mirror everything on the left and right side. Let's do a couple more. Okay, we got a kite. Now the Pictionary version would look something like this. But I want to push this a little bit further. Let's do one more, but this time I'm going to let you pick. That one right there, okay. Got a watch. So I'm going to start with the circular shape of the face and add the hands and the dial. I'm going to go in and add the straps. I'm going to give this a little bit of a curve and then finish this off with the buckle. So this is my favorite exercise to do to build my artistic muscles. I encourage you to try this out at home and I guarantee you'll become a Pictionary master. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and check out more videos right up here. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon.